To use your Henry Ford Virtual Exam Kit powered by TytoCare, you will need an Apple or Android mobile device, phone or tablet, as well as a password-protected Wi-Fi wireless network. Please note that 5G networks are not supported at this time. Anytime you plan to use the Virtual Exam Kit, please ensure that it is charged using the supplied charging cord. The first step is to pair your Virtual Exam Kit using the MyChart mobile app. To download the MyChart mobile app, go to the App Store or Google Play, type in MyChart, and download the Epic MyChart app. Once downloaded, select Henry Ford Health System and log in. Your mobile device should enable audio and video. On your MyChart home screen, tap the Tyto configuration icon. This one-time setup will allow MyChart to communicate with your Virtual Exam Kit. Please complete this step before your first visit. You will be prompted to download the TytoCare app from the App Store or Google Play. Do not sign up for or create a new Tyto account, as your account will automatically be created and linked through MyChart. Watch the TytoCare setup video tutorial through the TytoCare app. Turn on your Virtual Exam Kit to pair it with the TytoCare app on your mobile device and Wi-Fi network or hotspot. Have your Wi-Fi network or hotspot password handy, as the app will require you to enter it. For your privacy and safety, wireless networks without password protection cannot be used. The TytoCare app on your mobile device will display a QR code. Use your Virtual Exam Kit to scan the code, allowing the device and app to share data. Note that the Virtual Exam Kit may require a software update, which may take several minutes. Now that your Virtual Exam Kit setup is complete, you are ready to request a visit. From your MyChart home screen, initiate a video visit on demand by tapping the Video Visit on Demand icon. Follow the prompts to select the current location, reason for visit, and select Put Me in Line. Prior to making your video visit connection, you will be prompted to complete an e-check-in and verify your personal information, including insurance, current medications, allergies, current health issues. Once the e-check-in is complete, a member of the MyCare On Demand support team will reach out to you via telephone to confirm the details of your appointment and device configuration. Please do not select the green Begin Visit button until instructed to do so. The support team member will offer additional instructions, directing you to return to the main MyChart menu, tap on the Appointments icon, select your newly scheduled on-demand Tyto Exam video visit appointment, and tap the Begin Visit button. The TytoCare app will automatically launch. You will be placed in a virtual waiting room and notified on screen when it is time to join your visit. Click Join. Once the visit has started, the provider will choose the exams to perform. Follow the prompts as well as guidance from the provider to facilitate the exam. At the bottom of your mobile device screen, you will see several buttons that will allow you to disconnect from the visit, pause your video, or mute your audio. If you get disconnected from the visit, go back to your MyChart app, select Appointments, and click Begin Visit again. For issues pairing your Virtual Exam Kit or connecting to a visit with your mobile device, please call Henry Ford On Demand Support at 313-874-7526. If your device appears to be defective or malfunctioning, please call TytoCare Support at 866-971-8986. As a reminder, MyChart video visits are not to be used for medical emergencies. For a medical emergency, please go to your nearest emergency room or call 911. To ensure the quality, safety, and privacy of your video visit, do not drive while engaging in a video visit, and be sure to select a quiet, private, well-lit location with a strong internet connection. Thank you for using Henry Ford Health System MyChart Video Visits.